Hi students, welcome to your English class. So in this video, we are going to continue the remaining part of the supplementary Zigzag written by Asha Nehemiah. Just we can recall the story and then we can continue the remaining part of the supplementary. Character sketch. So in previous video itself, we saw about the character sketch. So Dr. Ashok T. Krishnan is a child specialist. So he is a protagonist of the play, and Mrs. Ashok. So Mrs. Ashok is the wife of Dr. Ashok, and she is a artist. That is, she used to paint pictures. Maya is a daughter of Dr. Ashok and Mrs. Ashok. Aravind is a son of Dr. Ashok and Mrs. Ashok. Somu is a Dr. Ashok's friend. Zigzag. So zigzag is a this is it is the most harmless, unusual and lovable bird. So the story is revolving around this bird only. And in today's video we are going to look into the new character called Cook Visu. He is an old cook of Somu. So this is the characters that we saw in previous video. Now we can recall the story that we have saw in previous video. So Dr. Krishnan is running a clinic, and she is a child specialist. So he is running a clinic, right? That is, he is to child specialist, so his clinic will be always noisy. So his patients, that is this who's the doctor's Ashok's patient, all little children are his patients, because the little children used to cry. So that makes lot of noise in his clinic. So on that time he had a call from doctor he had a call from his friend Somu. So his Somu asked Dr. Ashok to keep the zigzag in his home, as he is going for a trip. So by the time you can, he is asking to look after the bird, and Dr. Ashok is saying no, but Somu could able to hear that he is accepted his request, because his Dr. Ashok's cleaning is too noisy. They can't able to have a clear conversation between them, because they are too noisy. He said no, that he didn't accept to have a zigzag in his home, but Somu heard that he had accepted. So after this conversation, Dr. Ashok is asking sorry to Mrs. Ashok, because she is an artist, right? So by the next week she is having a painting exhibition. So she is getting ready for that. In that by the time, if the zigzag had entered into their house, it will make a confusion, right? So he Dr. Ashok is asking sorry to Mrs. Ashok. So they are they are both conversation is heard by Maya and Arvind. So Maya is saying that zigzag must be a beetle, and it will be a most poison. And Aravind is strictly saying it could be a pet snake for Somu. But Dr. Ashok clearly they have informed that is not a snake or a beetle, it is a harmless bird, and it is you, and it can able to talk and sing in 21 languages. So he is saying about the characteristics of zigzag. And Mrs. Ashok is very much angry with that, because already Dr. Somu gave pen knife to Aravind. So that pen knife as a gift, Dr. Somu gave pen knife to Aravind, but that pen knife had tore three skirts of Maya and two pairs of jeans of Aravind. And not that too, also he also gave boomerang. So that boomerang made lot of confusion in their neighborhood houses. So these all made very angry of Mrs. Ashok. So now she is much irritated about the bird entering into the house. So this what happened in the previous video. Now we can continue the remaining part of the story. May I take Zigzag to school, Papa? Aravind, as always, was planning ahead. I wanted to display him in the science exhibition. So, while this conversation is having, in a previous video itself, Mrs. Krishnan, that is Mrs. Ashok, is very much tensed with the uh, thinkless, that is thoughtless ways of Somu, right? So on hearing this conversation and all, Aravind is very much excited. So Aravind is asking his father that, can I take the zigzag to school to display in the science exhibition? So he is planning to take the zigzag bird to the school and display in the science exhibition. When is zigzag coming, Papa? Maya was jumping up and down, all excited. So Maya too joined Aravind, and she is also very much excited, and she is asking her Papa. Papa means father. She is asking her father when the zigzag will come, and she was jumping up and down, and she is asking when zigzag will come. Uncle Somu said he would send Zigzag with his old cook Vishu sometimes today. So, on hearing that, his Dr. Ashok is replying to his son and daughter that Uncle Somu, that is Somu, will send his Zigzag with his old cook. Already we saw in character sketches. So, old cook of Visu means that is Somu's old cook Visu. ஸோ அவங்க வீட்டில் வந்துட்டு ஓல்டு குக், அதாவது சமையல் செய்கிறாங்கன்னா அவங்க அவங்களோட ஓல்டு குக் வந்துட்டு he would send zigzag with his old cook Visu sometimes today. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி எந்த டைம் வேணாலும் வந்துட்டு zigzag வந்துட்டு வீட்டுக்கு அமுச்சுடுவாங்க. யார் கூட அமுச்சுடுவாங்க? ஓல்டு குக் விசு கூட. So I have to live for a clinic now. So after saying this, Dr. Ashok is saying that, so I am living for clinic. By the time itself, that he added as a doorbell rang, that's probably them. So while Dr. Krishnan is saying that I am living for clinic, they hear the calling bell door. So okay, they added the doorbell rang. So calling bell வந்து அவங்க வந்து கிளினிக் நான் போகிறேன் அப்படின்னு அசோக் வந்து சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கும்போதே they heard a calling bell sound, and he said that probably them கண்டிப்பாக அவங்களா தான் இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he went it. As indeed it was. So he said that already they have came, no? So அது உண்மைதான், அவங்க வந்துட்டாங்க. Come and zigzag, come and dear, caused Vishu, and intoted the strangest, weirdest looking bird the Krishnan family had ever seen. So come and zigzag, come and dear. So these words are uttered by Visu, the cook Visu, no? So அவன் தான் வந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறான்? Come and zigzag, come and dear. Caused means, the meaning of caused is gently persuade to do something. So gentle, ரொம்ப கைண்ட் மேனரில், ஜென்டில் மேனரில் யாரையோ ஒருத்தங்க வந்துட்டு ஒரு வேலையை செய்யின்னு சொல்கிறது. ஸோ the meaning of caused is gently persuade to do something. So he is asking, that is cook Visu is asking the bird zigzag to enter into the Krishnan's house, and intoted in the strangest, weirdest looking bird. Trotted means அன்ஸ்டெடிலி. ஸோ தள்ளாடிக்கிட்டு அப்படியே வந்துட்டு ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சாக அப்படியே வித்தியாசமாக ஒரு மாதிரி வந்துட்டு நடந்து வருது. ஸோ ட்ரோட்டட் மீன்ஸ் அன்ஸ்டெடிலி, த ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சஸ், விகாடஸ். ஸோ விகாடஸ் மீன்ஸ் சூப்பர் நேச்சுரல். ஸோ டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக நம்பவே முடியாத அளவு, கற்பனைக்கே எட்டாத அளவுக்கு வந்துட்டு எப்படி இருக்குது அதோடைய தோற்றம் வந்துட்டு கற்பனைக்கே எட்டாத அளவுக்கு வந்துட்டு இருக்குது. ஸோ இட் லுக்ஸ் லைக் அ டோட்டட் மீன்ஸ் இட் இஸ் வாக்கிங் வெரி அன்ஸ்டெடிலி. ஓகேவா? தள்ளாடிட்டு flight நடக்குது in a strange vigorous looking bird. ஸோ அதை பார்க்கறதுக்கு எப்படி இருக்குது, கற்பனைக்கு எட்டாத அளவுக்கு வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. the meaning of vigorous is supernatural. Different looking bird the Krishnan family had ever seen. So they have ever seen such a bird like that. About a foot and half tall. About a foot and half tall. So the meaning of this sentence is about a foot and half tall means 1.5 height. Okay va, 1 அடிக்கு இருக்கு. Okay va, 1.5 height. Its blade head was fringed with a crown of shocking pink feathers, while the rest of its plumage was in various shapes of muddiest sluggiest brown. So now in this paragraph they have described about the features of zigzag. So the zigzag height is 1.5 high, 1.5 feet, 1.5 feet. Okay va, so a foot and half, so 1.5 feet. Its blade head means வழுக்கமண்ட, அது வழுக்கையாக இருக்குதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கள்ல. his blade head was fringed. The meaning of fringed is bordered. அந்த வழுக்க ஹெட்டில் வந்துட்டு பார்டர் கட்டியிருக்கு. bordered with a crown of shocking pink feathers. So the head of the zigzag is blade head, அதாவது வழுக்கையாக இருக்குது. அது எப்படி பார்டர் கட்டியிருக்குன்னா with the crown மாதிரி பிங்க் ஃபெதர்ஸில் crown மாதிரி வந்துட்டு it has bordered it, while the rest of the plumage. So the meaning of plumage is other all feather parts. ஓகேவா, other all feather parts, மற்ற பார்ட்ஸ் வந்துட்டு சொல்கிறாங்க. while the rest of the other feathers was various shapes of the muddiest sluggiest brown. The meaning of sluggiest is wet mud, அதாவது ஈரமான மண்ணுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா. the meaning of sluggiest wet mud. So other parts of the feathers are in different shapes and the color is in wet mud. அந்த ஈரமான மண் ஒரு கலரில் இருக்குல்ல, அந்த கலரில் வந்துட்டு other parts of the feathers has been was in different shapes in the body of the zigzag. Its curved beak was sunflower yellow and its eyes were the color of cola held to sunlight. So now they are describing about the beak. So the curved beak is in the color of sunflower yellow. So the beak color is sunflower yellow and his eyes were the color of cola held to the sunlight. So his the zigzag's eyes color is in cola color. ஸோ கோலா வந்துட்டு சன்லைட்டை வச்சா என்ன கலர், ஒரு மாதிரி ப்ளூஷ் கலராக தெரியும் இல்லையா. ஸோ his eyes is looking like that. Its eyes is looking like that. This zigzag announced Visu with a flourish. So this is zigzag announced Vishu with flourish. So after so the before paragraph is a description of the zigzag bird. So they are அதோட தோற்றத்தை அப்படியே வர்ணிச்சிருக்காங்க. Here Visu the cook is saying that this is a zigzag in a flourish manner. The meaning of flourish is bold or exuberant gesture or action made especially to attract attention. ஸோ வந்துட்டு போல்டாக அப்படியே ஒரு அட்ராக்ஷன் மேனரில் வந்துட்டு திஸ் இஸ் ஜிக்ஸாக் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he is addressing the zigzag. His full name is Ziggy Zaggy, King of the Tonga. So Visu is saying, he refers to Visu, and Visu is saying that the full name of zigzag is Ziggy Zaga, King of Tonga. How I am going to miss him. So beautifully he talks. He can even recite French poetry. So after Visu saying the full name of the zigzag, he is saying that he is going to miss the zigzag bird, and also he is saying that it used to talk very beautifully. It used to talk very beautifully, and also he says that even the bird zigzag could recite the French poetry. So the meaning of recite is repeat aloud. ஸோ திருப்பியும் வந்துட்டு அந்த ஃப்ரெஞ்ச் போய்ட்ரியும் நல்லா வந்துட்டு சொல்லும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு விசு இஸ் சேயிங். The objects of all the praise was standing cool and unmoved, with the expression of almost human grumpiness in his cola-colored eyes. So, the object of all his praise. So the praise, who is the object? ஆப்ஜெக்ட்னா இதுக்கு முன்னாடி சொன்னாங்க இல்லையா, அது என்னட்டு ஃப்ரெஞ்சு வந்துட்டு ரீசைட் பண்ணோம். அண்ட் இட் டாக்ஸ் பியூட்டிஃபுல்லி அண்ட் ஹிஸ் ஃபுல் நேம். ஸோ ஆல் ஹிஸ் ப்ரைஸ், தட் இஸ் ஆல் ஹிஸ் அப்ரிசியேஷன்ஸ், ஆல் த அப்ரிசியேஷன்ஸ். ஸோ த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஆல் த அப்ரிசியேஷன், to whom the appreciation went, the bird zigzag, right? So யாருக்கு அந்த appreciation போய் சேர்ந்தது? Zigzag. So that bird. So the object of all this appreciation was standing cool. So the zigzag bird was standing very coolly and unmoved. Here it didn't move anywhere. It stood in the same place with an expression of almost human grumpiness in a cola colored eyes. So how was this expression means? How was the bird's expression means? It was very bad temper and irritable expression. So grumpiness means bad tempered and irritable. ஸோ அப்படியே வந்துட்டு ஹியூமன் பீயிங்ஸை ஒரு மாதிரி அப்படியே ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சாக வந்துட்டு பார்க்குற மாதிரி, இந்த ஸ்கோலா கலர்ட் ஐஸில் அந்த ப்ளூ கலர் ஐஸை வந்துட்டு அப்படியே விகர்டாக பார்த்துக்கிட்டு அப்படியே இட் டிடன்ட் மூவ் எனிவேர் அண்ட் இட் இஸ் ஸ்டாண்டிங் கூல் இன் த சேம் பிளேஸ். Aravind, finding that Zigzag was skully, refusing to say a word despite all their effort at striking a conversation, dashed into the kitchen to return with a plate healed hurriedly with juicy fruit sliced and nuts. So, though the zigzag bird used to talk and sing in 21 languages, right? So the Aravind and Maya trying lot that bird must talk something, but all their actions has ended in their failness, because Zigzag didn't open his mouth and it didn't move anywhere from the place. So what Aravind did means, Aravind found out that it is refusing to speak a single word. So what he did means, he dashed while their conversation, all their efforts has been in failure. He dashed means ran. He ran into the kitchen to get some plate of juicy fruits sliced and some nuts. So he ran very fastly and he brought juicy fruit sliced and some walnuts to eat for a bird, to have a bird. Bored eyes brightened memorantly as Zigzag picked up a walnut, but refusing to speak, he dropped one winged eyelid in the sloman wing and flew clumsily to deposit the nut on the enormous cylindrical hanging of the ceiling. Bit by bit and in total silence, all the fruit on the plate was transferred to the cylindrical and on to the blade of the ceiling fan, now switched off. So after Aravind took the plate of juicy fruit of sliced fruit and some nuts, so all he kept the plate in front of the Zigzag. So what the Zigzag did means, Zigzag picked up a walnut. So after picking up that walnut only, all the children's eyes has been brightened. So bored eyes brightened. அதாவது என்னதான் அவங்க வந்துட்டு பேச வைக்க ட்ரை பண்ணி ரொம்ப சோர்ந்திருந்தாலும் zigzag have picked the walnut right after that only. They all that two children have become very happy by seeing that. But also it refusing to speak, but it didn't speak any of the word. But he took but the zigzag took the walnut alone from the plate. And what the zigzag did means, he dropped one ringed eyelid in a Solomon wink. So what it means, after picking up the walnut, he just winkle, அதாவது கண்ணர் அப்படியே லைட்டாக சிமிட்டிட்டு what he did, flew clumsily means in a slow manner, in a calm manner. It flew clumsily to deposit the nut on the enormous cylindrical hanging from the ceiling. So it flew slowly and it deposit the nut on the fan ceilings. So fan oda ceilings இருக்குல்ல, இப்போ fan இப்படி இருக்குன்னா it has three hands, right? So it took the nuts and it placed here all the three sides of the ceiling blade. It deposit the foods there. It took from the plate and it deposit the fruits here. Okay, can you understand? So he took all the fruits bit by bit. So bit by bit கொஞ்சமாக வந்துட்டு in total silence he took all the fruits and nuts from the plate and it transferred to the ceiling of the blade of the fan. Okay, the fan is switched off. Then trenching comfortably on the curtained rod, Zigzag dropped one wrinkled eyelid in another Solomon wink and he sank his beak into the plum guava. So after all the foods has been transferred into the blade of ceiling, it went and settled down near the curtains rod. So curtains வந்து போட்டிருப்போம் மேலே அந்த ராட் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, it settled there and there also he did wink, அதாவது கண்ணை சிமிட்டிட்டு it started to have a zinc, அதாவது it started to eat with his beak with the plump of guava. ஒரு கோவா இருக்குல்ல, கோவானா கொய்யாப்பழம் இருக்குல்ல, it started to bite and eat with his beak. So he settled down, he perched comfortably. It comfortably sat on the curtain rod and it started to eat the guava. Don't worry, children, Visu comforted as he left, noticing how disappointed they looked when the Zigzag stubbornly refused to say a single word to them, even though they tried speaking to them in English, Hindi, Tamil, French. So when the cook Visu is living the house of Dr. Krishnan, he is saying, don't worry, children. So these two children, Maya and Aravind, was very much they took much effort to have a conversation between Zigzag and them, but Zigzag didn't respond them. It took only the foods from the plate and it transferred into the ceiling fan blade and it took a plump of guava and it's settled down in the curtain rod and it started to eat it. So by seeing this and all, he just saying that don't worry, children. Visu comforted as he left, noticing how disappointed. So as they are disappointed, he said, don't worry, once it is settled. When the Zigzag stubbornly refused to say a single word, even though they have had a conversation between in English, ஹிந்தி, தமிழ், ஃப்ரெஞ்ச், ஸோ இத்தனை மொழியில் வந்துட்டு அந்த ஜிக்ஸாக்கோட கான்வர்சேஷன் வச்சுமே வந்துட்டு அந்த ஜிக்ஸாக் வந்துட்டு ஒரு சிங்கிள் வேர்டு கூட வந்துட்டு இடன் ஓப்பன் ஃப்ரம் இட்ஸ் மவுத், இட் டிடன்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் டு ஸ்பீக். ஸோ பை சீயிங் திஸ் disappointments of these children, he is saying that don't worry, it will start to speak once it got settled. அது செட்டில் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணும், அது வந்துட்டு பேச ஆரம்பிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he is just comforting the two children and he left from the Dr. Ashok's house. Just wait till the zigzag settle down in his new home. Then you then you can have a great time listening to him. So once it got settled, it will start to have its conversation. So you don't get a worry. And he left from the Dr. Ashok's house. As it happened, the children didn't have to wait more than 10 minutes to have a great time listening to Zigzag. So, once Cook Vizu left from their house. After that, within 10 minutes, they were they didn't wait much more time to have a great time with the zigzag. Within 10 minutes, it started to react. What we can see, what it started to react, we can see. For as soon as Vizu left, zigzag still preached on the cotton rod, went off to sleep, and the moment he fall asleep, he began to snore. So what it didn't speak, okay va, at a great time na வந்துட்டு சரி பேச ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சுன்னு வந்துட்டு தப்பா எடுத்துக்கூடாது. So within 10 minutes what they saw means, after as soon as the cook left, Zigu already zigzag is sitting, that is still sitting in the curtain rod, and it is eating the Goa, right? So after eating the Goa, it went to sleep, okay, or went off to the sleep. So after eating the Goa, Zigzag went to sleep. And the moment he fall asleep, so when he fall asleep, he began to snore. So அது வந்துட்டு எதனா தூங்க ஆரம்பிச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ணிருச்சு, கொரட்டை விட ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. And what a snore it was, signals. So how it is the snore is அந்த கொரட்டை எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா ரொம்ப வந்துட்டு பயங்கரமாக, it is in a large sound, it is in a very they can able to hear a large noise from the snore signal அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ரொம்ப வந்துட்டு சத்தம் அதிகமாக வந்துட்டு வருது. It began as soft grumble sort of the rumble, much like that with the stomach of medley hungry dinosaurs might have made. How the snore was, it means how it was very soft at the starting point. It was very soft, that a snore and the korata satham vandu at the starting point was very much soft, grumbly soft of the rumble. So the meaning of rumble is continuous deep sound, okay va. So the soft of the grumbling sound is in a deep sound, much like which the stomach of medley hunger dinosaurs might have made. ஸோ பை த டைம் கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக அப்படியே சாஃப்டாக தான் ஆரம்பிக்குது. பட் பை த டைம் ஹவு தே குட் ஏபிள் டு ஹியர் மீன்ஸ், ஒரு டைனோசரே வந்துட்டு பசியில் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு கொரட்டுட்டு தூங்கினா எந்த அளவுக்கு வந்துட்டு கொரட்டை வருமோ அந்த அளவுக்கு வந்துட்டு என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, த சவுண்ட் ஹஸ் பிகம் மோர் லவுடர். It grew louder and louder and louder until it sounds as heard of elephants with the cold was trampling angrily in the room ignoral. So as if it ate a dinosaurs. For அதோட மெட்லி ஹங்க்ரிக்கு வந்துட்டு டைனோசரை சாப்பிட்டுட்டு ஒரு கொரட்டை சத்தம் விடுறது. இட் பை த டைம் ஆக ஆக இட் க்ரூ லவுடர் அண்ட் லவுடர் அண்ட் லவுடர். இட் க்ரூ ரொம்ப சத்தமாக அப்படியே வர ஆரம்பிச்சிருச்சு. அண்ட் how until how it sounded means, so it grew sound louder and louder, right? So until how it went to, how much louder it went to means, elephant, that is in the season of winter, elephant used to have make noise with his trumpet. அதோட தும்பிக்கை வச்சு முழங்கும் இல்லையா அந்த குளிர்காலத்தில், அந்த மாதிரி வந்துட்டு என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, the sound becomes to come much louder from the zigzag. Zigzag sore pounded their eardrums till their heads ached. ஸோ வாட் இட் காஸ் மீன்ஸ் அதோட கொரட்டை சத்தம் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு, எல்லாத்தோட ஏர்டம்ஸ்லேயும் காதுலேயும் வந்து தலைவலியே வந்துட்டு ஏற்படுத்திடுச்சு. ஸோ த ஜிக்ஸாக் snore இந்த zigzag soar, what it made means everybody caused a headache itself. So that much louder noises coming from the snore. In vain did they try to wake. In vain did they try to hear. In vain did they try to wake the snoring bird. 21 languages he is supposed to know. Snorant Mrs. Krishnan. So by the time they are hearing much louder snore from the bird zigzag. So they are trying to wake up the bird, to wake up the snoring bird. And the snoring bird na korata vittirukka parava. So they are trying to wake up the bird zigzag. In 21 what Mrs. Krishnan is saying, 21 languages the bird is supposed to know, but it could not ever, but they can't able to wake up it. So he is saying in a funny manner. He is saying she is saying in a funny manner that this bird knows 21 languages, but we can't able to wake up it. Yet this bird chooses to communicate only in Snorish, Snonies, Snorerian, Solerili, Sodul. So, and also she is saying that it doesn't know 21 languages. It could enable to communicate only in Snorish. Snorish na கொரட்டோடுறது, கொரட்டை, இந்த மாதிரி வித்தியாசமாக இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அதை எல்லாமே கொரட்டா 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 அப்படிங்கிறது தான். ஸ்னோரிஸ், ஸ்னோரியன், ஸ்னோரிஸ், ஸ்னோரிலி, Soronelli. With this language only you can able to continue. It does not know 21 languages. So Mrs. Krishnan is saying in funny manner to funny with the angry manner to the Dr. Krishnan. I thought it was a scientifical fact that birds could not snore, said Maya. So now Maya is saying that I have heard that scientifically that birds doesn't snore. அதாவது நான் வந்துட்டு இது வரைக்கும் கேள்விப்பட்டதே இல்லை, பேர்ட்ஸ் வந்துட்டு கொரட்டை விடுங்கிறது நான் கேள்விப்பட்டதில்லை, சயின்டிஃபிக்காக ஐ டென்ட் ஹியர்ட் இட். ஸோ மாயா சேயிங் தட் trying to squirt water from a small water pistol at the zigzag to wake up him, and wetting most of the curtains and wall and sofa instead. So what Maya did means, with the using of water pistol, he filled the water and she is trying to wake up the zigzag bird, but in vain. What made means it almost wetted the curtains, walls and sofa only, but the zigzag didn't wake up. African witch doctor's bird doesn't obey scientific rule. Okay, wow. So Aravind is saying now this is done by Maya. So Maya, with the using of water pistol, she tried to wake up the zigzag, but instead she wetted only curtains, walls and sofa. Now Aravind is saying that African witch doctor's bird. So zigzag is gifted by the African witch doctor only. No, so he is saying that this African witch doctor bird doesn't obey the scientific rules. எந்த ஒரு அறிவியல் சம்மந்தப்பட்டதையும் வந்துட்டு அது வந்துட்டு ஒபே பண்ணலை. Aravind was annoyed means he is making sound. Aravind was annoyed with his best imitation of ragging lion. So with this he started to make sounds of the best imitation. So வந்துட்டு imitate பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, what and all Aravind made means ragging lion வந்து உரும்புற மாதிரி, hungry ஹேனா வந்துட்டு எப்படி பசியில் உரும்பும் அது மாதிரி, அண்ட் ஃப்ரீஷியஸ் டாக் ஒரு வெறி பிடிச்ச நாய் எப்படி வந்து குறைக்கும் அது மாதிரிலாம் வந்துட்டு he started to do his best imitations. had failed draw to zigzag out of the deep slumber, but everything has failed because still zigzag is sleeping. Now he tried his loudest, most frightening coyote call. So at last he tried the coyote call, because coyote means African wolf. அந்த ஆஃப்ரிக்கன் wolves வந்துட்டு ரொம்ப வேகமாக வந்துட்டு அது அவ்வளோ நாய்ஸ் கொடுக்குமா, லவுடஸ்ட் நாய்ஸ். he tried his loudest most frightening, அவ்வளோ பயங்கரமாக இருக்குமா அதோட சத்தம். அந்த கைட்னல் ஆஃப்ரிக்கன் wolfோட வந்துட்டு லவுடு வாய்ஸ் வந்துட்டு அவ்வளோ பயமாக இருக்குமா. ஸோ அட் லாஸ்ட் ஹீ ட்ரைட் தட் டு ஆல்சோ. So up to this we can stop up to here. Remaining part of the story we can see in next video. Thank you.